Welcome students once again Vita classes. Today we are going to learn question number 18 in NCERT books exercise 3.2. So students, today we are see question number 18. Question number 18, if matrix A 0 minus 10 alpha by 2 10 alpha by 2 0 and I is identity matrix of order 2. I is identity matrix of order 2. So that I plus A equal to I minus A, and inside the matrix cos alpha minus sin alpha and cos alpha. So first of all we are doing LHS. Why? Because these questions we have to prove for LHS. This is called LHS, and after equal to this is called RHS. So we have to prove LHS first. Okay, LHS. So first of all we find I plus A. We find I plus A LHS. LHS equal to I plus A. That means we have to write it. Identity matrix is 2 by 2 order. That means 1 0 0 1, and plus we have to given matrix 0 minus 10 alpha by 2 10 alpha by 2 0. This is a we can write I plus A. Then we have to add corresponding elements. I plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, and 0 plus minus 10 alpha equal to minus 10 alpha by 2, and 0 plus 10 alpha by 2 equal to 10 alpha by 2, and 1 plus 0 is 1. This is LHS. Then we have to prove LHS equal to RHS. Then we find after that I plus A, we find I minus A. Okay, so I minus A is, look at right side, I minus A. That means I matrix is 1 0 0 1. This is identity matrix, and minus A matrix is 0 minus 10 alpha by 2 and 10 alpha by 2 and 0. This is A matrix. Then we have to subtract corresponding elements. 1 minus 0 1, 0 minus, and 0 minus minus plus, that means 10 alpha by 2. Okay, minus plus, then 0 minus 10 alpha, that means minus 10 alpha by 2, and that means 1 minus 0 is 1. This is I minus A. Okay, then we can put this inside this matrix in these places. Okay, then we have to prove LHS. So look at the how to prove LHS. We see that we have obtained this. Okay, like that, matrix A. LHS is proved like that. Matrix no. This is LHS. So we can find. First of all, we erase it. Question is we have to erase. Then this is I matrix. Then we have to write RHS. Okay, RHS we have to prove RHS. That means I minus A, and matrix is given. We have two matrix are given. Given matrix is cos alpha minus sin alpha, cos alpha minus sin alpha, and sin alpha into cos alpha. Here this is our inside matrix. Then we can write this plus 1 10 alpha by 2, and this minus 10. First of all we write in proper distance. Then we have to write on this anywhere. So we can write it 1 10 alpha by 2 and minus 10 alpha by 2 and 1, and this is right cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. Okay, so next is we have to multiply it we are doing operations of multiplication of two matrices. That means first row multiply by first column. Okay, 1 into cos alpha plus 10 alpha into 10 alpha by 2 into sin alpha. Then first row is second column. 1 into minus alpha is minus alpha, and then 10 alpha by 2 into cos alpha by 2. You write cos alpha and then 10 alpha by 2. Okay, this one. And second one is 10 alpha by 2 into cos alpha by 2 minus 10 alpha by 2 into cos alpha. Then 1 into sin alpha. Then we can minus plus 10 alpha by 2 into sin alpha, then plus cos alpha. We can write this type of this two matrix multiplication. Okay, then we have to do prove LHS is this. Then we can write this side LHS equal to 1 minus 10 alpha by 2, then 10 alpha by 2 1. This is right on right side, because this result we are see that RHS, that's why we can write right side. So we can erase now we have to write this. We know that 10 alpha by 2 we can write it sin alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2, and sin 2 alpha equal to we can write 2 sin alpha into cos alpha, and also we can write sin alpha equal to 2 sin alpha by 2 into cos alpha by 2. We can write this place of sin alpha, then we can write this, and place of 10 alpha by 2, then we can write this. Okay, and cos alpha equal to we can write 1 minus 2 sin alpha by 2, or we can write 2 cos square alpha by 2 minus 1. Both results we can use. Then these results we can use above places like that, cos alpha, 10 alpha, these places we can use these results. That means this formulas we are studying in class 11, that formula of 10 alpha by 2, this is sin alpha by 2 and cos alpha by 2, and sin 2 alpha equal to 2 sin alpha into cos alpha. Then we can sin alpha equal to 2 sin alpha by 2 into cos alpha by 2. This type we can write it. Then after we have to write it. Then after we have to write this right side. Okay, so we can write place of cos alpha. Place of cos alpha we can write 1 minus this result 1 minus 2 sin alpha by 2. Okay, and then 10 alpha by 2, then we can write plus sin alpha by 2 by cos alpha by 2 into sin alpha equal to we can write 2 sin alpha by 2 into cos alpha by 2. Then we have to cut this. Okay, and then the place is very small because there is no space right side. Then we can erase the above this because no more space on right side. So you have to pause, then you can write first and then you have to see. Okay, so we erase these places. Then after we can write 1 minus 2 sin alpha by 2 plus sin alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2 into 2 sin alpha by 2 into cos alpha by 2. This is cut. Okay, then after then we write minus 2 sin alpha by 2 into cos alpha by 2. Okay, alpha by 2 dot cos alpha by 2, that means 1 minus 2 sin. So first of all we see that some mistakes are happened, because that means this plus is plus. Okay, this is plus, then now it's correct. Okay, then we can write this is minus plus, this is minus plus 2 cos square alpha by 2 cos square alpha by 2 minus 1 into sin alpha by 2 by cos alpha by 2. Then we can write these places minus sin alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2 into that cos alpha is equal to, we can write 2 alpha by 2 minus 1 plus 2 sin alpha by 2 into cos alpha by 2. We can write this. So next one is 2 sin alpha by 2 into cos alpha by 2, and then we can write sin alpha by 2 by cos alpha by 2 plus we can write 1 minus 2 sin square alpha by 2. We can write these types of these questions. Okay, then after then we have to write it one minus 2 sin alpha by 2 and plus 2 sin square alpha by 2. Okay, and this side we can write minus 2 sin alpha by 2 into cos alpha by 2 plus so we can write plus 2 cos square alpha by 2 into sin alpha by 2 by cos alpha by 2 minus sin alpha by 2 by cos alpha by 2. Then we can cut this square and this cos term. Okay, then next is these places we can write minus sin alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2 into 2 cos square alpha by 2, and we can cut this minus sin alpha by 2 by cos alpha by 2 plus 2 sin alpha by 2 into cos alpha by 2. Okay, then we can write this is 2 sin square alpha by 2 plus 1 minus 2 sin square alpha by 2. This cut. Okay, then next we have to write, then we can write this, also cut this is cut. Okay, sin square, this is also cut. Okay, and after then we have to also cut this. Okay, this minus 2 sin, and also this cut. Okay, then we have 1 and this places minus sin alpha by 2 by cos alpha by 2, and this one we have to 2 minus 2 sin alpha by 2 into cos alpha by 2. Okay, and minus this is, we can write tan alpha by 2, and then plus 2 sin alpha by 2 into cos alpha by 2. Okay, then we can write sin alpha by 2 by cos alpha by 2, and these places we can write 1, and after then we have to solving, then we 1, then this one we can write minus tan alpha by 2, and this term is cut, then minus tan alpha by 2 and 1. That means we have obtained result. LHS is this. Okay, this type of LHS. Then this is multiply both till, then minus this is plus. Okay, this minus in multiply this minus, and minus plus, then 1 minus tan alpha by 2, then we can write therefore LHS equal to RHS. Proved. I hope every students are this questions no problem to understanding. So we have to see next questions. If you have any problem, you have to comment on comment section. So first see the, यहाँ पे देखिए क्या करते हैं हम लोग 1 minus 2 sin alpha by 2, जो हम लोग जानते हैं फॉर्मूला जो था, उस फॉर्मूला में हम लोग सेट किए, सेट करने के बाद मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद जो है देख रहे हैं कि कोई टर्म कट रहा है, उसको काट देना है, और फाइनली जो है हमारा जो है कटने के बाद जो है क्या बचेगा 1 माइनस साइन अल्फा बाई 2 कोस अल्फा बाई 2, तो इसको हम लोग क्या लिखेंगे, इसको -10 के फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं। फिर यहाँ पे कट रहा है तो यहाँ पे 10 अल्फा बाई 2 देख रहे हैं कि LHS के बराबर RHS आ गया, तो हमारा जो है ये प्रूव हो गया। ओके, सो अब देखते हैं हम लोग